Hey, I'm Brian Van, Sportbike Track here, and I gotta tell you, I think I've stumbled upon an epidemic that has the potential to destroy our entire society. Okay, before I jump off the diving board into the pool, it's important you know everything I'm gonna say right now, it actually fucking happened. It's gonna distort your view of reality, I promise you that. Well, unless you're one of these people. But it all happened. We appreciate every order placed with us. We value our customers. If you've worked with us, you already know that. On a personal level, I love everybody. I don't care what color you are, what nationality you are, what your sexual orientation is. I will add, I do draw the line on the whole bathroom thing. You got a dick, you go in the guy's shop. You got a veg, you go in the ladies' john. Maybe some places have a unisex bathroom. Guess what? F***ing go in it. We are all good. But stupid, God, that's something I really don't appreciate. A little over a year ago, we've identified what's turned into an epidemic here in our business. F***ing epidemic. It's wasting time and it's wasting money, and I just can't believe it. I dismissed my staff when they first told me about it. I said, nobody's that f***ing stupid. People are ordering exhaust systems for motorcycles. And because there's a picture of a motorcycle with that exhaust system on it, they think they're gonna get a whole motorcycle, even though it says in the title of the product listing, right? Exhaust system. Here's an example. This one was returned, as many of them have been. This is the condition it came back in. As you can see, this person must be an archaeologist because they went on a little expedition inside that box in search of the motorcycle they expected to be in there. Let's do a little lesson on spatial reasoning, okay? See this box? See this motorcycle? There's no f***ing way you're gonna put it in there. It's not even possible. So, when these, and this is not the first one that's been torn apart like this. Does somebody think there's like a little model in there, but it's like a chia pet? You know what I mean? You put little seeds on it, some water, I say, pow, you got a whole f***ing motorcycle in a week. Maybe there's some pixie dust in there, you put, bam, there's a f***ing motorcycle and you got the whole thing for $500. Please, if you have a question, if you don't understand something, you know what, I'm like the f***ing shell answer man. Ask, I'll give you the answer. We want to educate you and help us move forward, but please, our society cannot be like this. We can't be that f***ing stupid. So there you have it. Welcome to shit that happens when you sell retail.